Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, it's Beatrice Verwees and your favorite beach bar deck with your morning beach walk video. Sunrises at its best, St. Lucia Estuary, Isimangalisa Wetland Park, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. Great outings. Croc pond drying up again. No tidal surge strong enough to fill it. Let's see what's happening at the estuary mouth. St. Lucia estuary mouth on low tide. Everybody just shows you the beautiful videos on high tide. There's the marine water retention here on low tide, which is a very, very good thing. And the north easterly wind keeps on digging it open. As I said earlier this morning, it's also a good thing. There's a lot of mullet jumping. Yo, there's a lot of chases happening. Let's see if we can get it on camera. Nope. As I said this morning, lost the monopod. Tripod is not so good for doing walk and talk videos, but we'll look for the monopod and hopefully find it. Otherwise the channel is out of a lot of money. Look at this beautiful watercolors here.
Update 2, Umfolozi River water level update. This is winter months, there's no water in the Umfolozi River. It means that the rainwater tanks of the people don't fill up either. Water shortage in the middle of a wetland system.